Benjamin Gantz is an Israeli soldier and politician. He served as the 20th Chief of General Staff of the Israel Defense Forces from 2011 to 2015. He was elected Knesset Speaker on 26 March 2020. On 20 April 2020, Gantz agreed to join a unity government with Prime Minister Netanyahu, which would see Gantz serve as Prime Minister in a rotation deal in 18 months. In December 2018, he established a new political party named Israel Resilience. The party later allied itself with Telem and Yesh Atid to form blue and white, the colors of the Israeli national flag. Gantz's blue and white party platform includes introducing prime ministerial term limits, barring indicted politicians from serving in the Knesset, amending the nation-state law to include Israeli minorities, limiting the power of the chief rabbinate of Israel over marriages, investing in early education, expanding health care, and re-entering negotiations with the Palestinian Authority for a peace agreement. Benjamin Gantz was born in Kfar Ahim, Israel, in 1959. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.